everyone, it's Marina from Say Something Crafty. I'm here to do a Happy Mail share with you. This Happy Mail comes from Lori, just a girl from the Bay, here on YouTube, and I will have her channel linked below so you can go check out her fun projects. She makes really cute journals. I enjoy her style. It's so different from mine and from stuff that I would normally see, and I really enjoy when she makes journals because it's inspiring. So me and Lori have been friends for a really long time, but I wanted to go ahead and do a Happy Mail share with you. She sent me some mail. Hi Lori, thank you so much. You know, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna I already opened it and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull everything out so you guys can see it. This is modeling paste. Oh, that's so cool. Wow, I've never used this kind of modeling paste before. It's more like, you know, the texture paste. Oh, it smells good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. Thank you, Lori. It's Glossy Dimension Brailleries modeling paste, and she sent me some in silver and some in white, and this is matte metallic. Oh my gosh, how pretty is this? Wow, this is so pretty. It's washi tape. She sent me some washi tape. It's really pretty. She sent me some items, these die cut, these chipboard, or is it chipboard? Wood feather die cuts. These are cool. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to see things that I can use these on. She sent me some metal feathers. These are awesome. Oh, and they have little holes so you can use them for jewelry. I'm gonna have to alter these. Oh, my daughter's down there fussing. Oh my gosh, Lori. She sent me some flowers. These are pretty. And then, oh. I think I gotta go grab my child. She sent me some Daiso. Oh! Are these, oh, old Daiso paper. Oh my gosh, how cool! I've never had anything from Daiso before, but I always hear about it. Like, you know, I hear crafters talking about it all the time. Daiso's amazing. This is awesome. Thank you so much. There's 100 sheets of old paper in here. That's fantastic. I cannot wait to try that out. And then in the glassine bag, she sent me this little notebook. Oh, I love this. It's so cute. It's like a oh, it's like a mini traveler's notebook. So cute. There's a key collection envelope. Oh my gosh, these are awesome. Customer, I don't know what kind of envelopes those are, but these are really cool. Yeah, she sent me some envelopes and some bags. These are cool. Thank you so much. And then, oh, how cute are those? Paper Studio cupcake clips. This is so cute. And then there's a stamp, and it's a delivery stamp. Delivery? I gotta check. I'll check. I think it's deliver. That's really cute. And she also, oh, here it is. Okay, here it is. She said, oh, this is such a cute card. Oh my gosh. Oh, she wrote me a note. What? She said the fabrics are from her sister-in-law and they're from India. Oh, and the decorative top is from one of her daughter's lehengas. It's too small for her now. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lori. I feel like I'm going to have a heart attack. Like, I'm super excited. Oh my god! Wow! These are so beautiful. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Wow. These are gorgeous, Lori. Oh my gosh. No way. I love this. This is beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you. Look at this one, you guys. Oh, oh my gosh, this is adorable. I don't even know if I can cut that up. I don't know. I don't know if I can do it. It's so pretty. Oh, wow. Thank you. This is really, really pretty. I can't believe you sent this to me. I feel like I should save it for my daughter. Is that okay? Can I save it for my daughter? It's gorgeous. It would make a beautiful journal. I just don't know if I could bring myself to chop it up. And then there's this one. It's really pretty. I like how it feels. It's really soft. Oh, look, and it's sheer. Not really sheer, but like, it's really pretty, guys. Thank you so much. And then there's this one. Wow. I love these fabrics, Lori. Thank you. These are fantastic. Wow. Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to make a journal or two with these. These are fantastic. Thank you. Wow. I'm speechless. I'm like, I don't know what to say. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for thinking of me, Lori, and for sharing all this stuff with me. It means the world to me. Thank you. Thank you again, Lori. I know I said it like 50 billion times, but this is really sweet. Thank you so much. I enjoy it, everything, and I cannot wait to use this stuff. I hope you guys are doing well. Lori, I hope you're doing well, and I hope your family's good. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.